Hi YouTube, this is a little review for this multifunctional Eaton tool spoon, fork, screwdriver, bottle opener multi-tool. I have this for more or less 8 months or 10 months. And this is a new one. When you buy it, comes like this. And it's really functional. As you can see, it's a spoon, fork, bottle opener, metric wrenches, screwdriver, both, and comes with a carabiner. It works really good. It's a fork, no problem. Let me see you. Spoon, great. For the moment I don't have a bottle, but the bottle opener works great. I really recommend this item. I'm gonna put the link in description.